Contributing your work to Niner Commons is easy. Our streamlined submission form usually takes less than 2 minutes to complete. To contribute your work, go to ninercommons.charlotte.edu and click Submit Work. Enter your contact information along with the title of your work. Then attach your work by clicking Choose File. You can upload PDFs or zip files that are under 300 megabytes. If you're submitting a file that is a different type or larger than 300 megabytes, contact Niner Commons at uncc.edu to share your work. Read and agree to the license agreement in the copyright section. This will affirm that you're the author or copyright holder of the work and that what you're contributing is accurate. If you have questions about the copyright agreement, please contact Niner Commons at uncc.edu so we can put you in touch with our copyright librarian. Finally, click I'm Not a Robot and then click Submit. You've just successfully deposited your work. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to email us at ninercommons@uncc.edu.